Daddy, welcome.
Take. Take!
Is everything okay?
The doctor just confirmed you are 2 months pregnant. I need you to explain to me how a marriage that is not even up to 2 weeks has 2 months pregnancy. How come? I didn't even touch you until we returned from the village 2 weeks ago. And you are 2 months on.
This is not possible. This is not possible.
What is not possible? You have the result with you.
Pregnant. I'm so sorry.
What? You are sorry?
I don't know when it happened.
Who is responsible for the pregnancy?
It's Nnamdi.
What?
His name is Nnamdi.
Nnamdi? Who the hell is Nnamdi? Talk to me, who is Nnamdi?
He's my classmate. He's one of the most intelligent guy in my class. We normally go to read together every night before the exams. I think it happened in one of those nights. Please, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Please, I beg you, please. It happened before you even came to marry me. It happened before you came to marry me. Please, forgive me. Please. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. The former was considerate. He never took offense. And he promised to take you in as his own biological son. And promised we were going to keep it between ourselves.
Then why the anger?
He said he has not been able to prove himself as a real man by getting me pregnant. According to him, it was confirmed by a doctor that he's sterile. That has really made him so frustrated.
Mama, why have you not said this to me all this while? That he's not my biological father.
I'm sorry, my dear son. I was only trying to protect you. Please, forgive your mother. Oh, please. I was trying to protect you.
It's alright. It's okay. Now tell me, who is my real father? Mama, I've had enough. I've had enough.
Come now, please, come. Come back, please. We can settle this as a family.
Mama, I said I've had enough. I'm done. I'm done, please.
Sai, listen to your mother now. Eh? We can talk this over as a family.
Hello, Oscar. I'll be there by evening. Yeah, I'll see you. Mama, I'm done, okay? Nkenu, let's go. Biko.
Bikoziano. Ototo wan Bikozia. No. Simon, please now, please. Please now. Afoma. So you don't have anything to say, Afoma? So you could not stop our son from leaving? You're a very wicked man. Very wicked man. Afotagimili. Wicked man. This house will not contain the both of us. You will see.
Boss, you sent for me.
How is everything going for the night?
Everything is going well, boss.
You and the boys must be very, very clinical. If anything goes south, of course you know we are doomed.
Boss, remember my name is Oscar. You don't need to panic, okay? Everything is going well. Everything is going according to our plan.
Let's talk more actions. Let's start it.
Service.
give it to me. You make it man not speaking in tongues, so you give me come my king in the freestyle. I'm a losing on the common brother. What the man banana? What the man they walk? Odo you odo pray. It's about flirting. I give flirting. When you're not chilling, oh, there is no phone.
Let's go tonight. We are awesome tonight for the double Prince. We are awesome tonight. Awesome for the big boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we are awesome tonight. Let's go, ladies. DJ Tommy on DJ. Sonita, now you don't know. Wahala.
But this is Baby, give it to me,
What do you want? What do you want from me, Simi?
Come on, Ella, I am sorry. Okay, I'm sorry for everything.
You're sorry for what? You lured me into having sex with you. And all of a sudden you just ran away. No. You switched off your phone.
I did not run away. I went to the village, family problems and all that. But I'm back now, okay? Let's come back together the way we used to be before.
Like, seriously? Yeah. Simeon, are you trying to lure me into your bed again? Oh, sorry. If you're trying to lure me, it will not work.
Ella, I love you. I love you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you, Ella, please.
You're such a joker.
I'm not, I'm serious. Ella.
Okay.
Hey, Frances.
Hi, Simeon. I'm so sorry, okay? We have a lot to do. I promise you, she'll see you tomorrow. See you. You say you promise me. See you.
this world. Good and bad today. Make your choice. Make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Everything there for this world. Good and bad today. Make your choice. Make your choice. Everything there for this world. Good and bad today. Make your choice. Make your choice. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Join the game, rule your world, but no betray. Consequence there. Money rules the world. Either you're in or out. There is no in between.
Officer. Well done, officer.
Fine, how are you?
Well, thank you, officer.
Where are you from?
We are just going to front there. We want to drop things there.
Okay, we want to see the container. Come and open it.
Officer, there is nothing inside.
Come down, open it. We want to see it.
Officer, no need to see, and there is nothing there. Nothing there, the boot, officer. Now just provisions there, the officer. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. They stopped us on the way, sir. Okay. I'm holding on, sir. Hello, sir. Well done, sir. Yes, sir. Your boys are here, sir. They stopped us on the way, sir. Okay, sir. Someone wants to speak with you.
Who is that person?
Somebody wants to speak with you.
Who is that person?
Somebody, please. Just listen to the person, please. Thank you.
Hello? Hello, good evening, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I will attend to you, sir. I will attend to you, sir. No problem, sir. No problem, sir. You will be our guy, no wahala, don't worry, sir. I will leave there, sir. God bless, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Officer,
you can go because we just cooperate with you. God beg me. He said, make I leave you.
I believe you, officer.
I know wahala.
One for the road.
I will save Johnny, eh? Yeah.
The world have ears, no one can eat crowd without attention of other people. One more, tread with caution. That road that seems right to you. The end is destruction.
Hello, Rebecca. How are you? Good morning. I have been trying to reach my daughter since yesterday's night, but her phone is not connecting. I even tried her friend, the same thing. Have you seen her today? Oh, okay. Please do me a favor. Can you go to her place and tell her that I need to speak with her? Thank you so much. Hello? Hello? Jane, hi. It's Frances. Please, I need to speak to Blessing, your roommate. Are you serious?
Are you there?
I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Who is that? Hi. Good morning. Where is Ella? Ella, where is she? She went to the market.
Market? On a CDS day?
Yes, she said from
From the market, she will head to this to CDS.
I see. Tell her to call her mom. It's very urgent. She's so worried about her. As soon as possible, please.
Yes, I can imagine. Sure.
Make sure you tell her that.
We bring you news concerning the staged disappearance of 10 youth called Batch B who went out on a party last night. One of the girls was found dead by the roadside this early morning, and 9 of them is yet to be found by the police. At the time of filling this report, over now to foreign news.
Calm down. Wait, let me. No. What do you mean by you don't know their whereabouts?
How am I supposed to know, baby girl? Do I look like that your parent?
And how do you explain the fact that all the girls I brought to your party got missing without a trace? What have you done to them?
Are you in any way insinuating that I have a hand in their disappearance? Need I remind you that I'm still your boss?
I do not care what you are to me right now. I care about my friends that I brought to your party that got missing without a trace.
My baby, I don't care. Okay? You were paid for this job, right?
And what is that supposed to mean?
Let me remind you that you got almost 5 million naira for this job. And the girls you brought to the party, you're not there to partake in their own share.
Are you accusing me of their disappearance?
Baby girl, thank your stars that you still have money in your bank account. At least you still have something that will defend you in court. If you do me a favor, get out of my office.
How dare you?
No! For the police! You son of a bitch! Shut up!
Police? What is the matter?
Oh, brother, no problem. No problem at all.
I can't remember. I don't understand what happened at the club last night. Yes, because I can't remember getting myself drunk. I'm supposed to see myself on the bed this morning.
My nigga, you were drunk. You were wasted.
Drunk?
Yes.
I can't just remember taking any alcohol last night. Just that Frances called to tell me that Ella hasn't returned home and her number is not going through.
Brother, yesterday was Pot's birthday. There were drinks everywhere. There were money everywhere. People indulge themselves in so many things. That's by the way. Boss said you can, resume the work. Yeah. Yeah, now the coast is very clear.
The world have ears. No one can eat grass.
It's okay. Madam, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. I believe the police, they are doing something on and they'll bring them all back in one piece. It's okay.
What about those that went missing? Dear Ben! Oh God!
Madam, it's okay. Stop crying. She will come back to you.
Hey! What about those that were kidnapped and later their dead bodies were brought back to their families? Hey!
Let us not play for that. Let us not play for that. I'm sure your daughter will surely come back to you.
Edith, finally you have succeeded. You have succeeded in destroying my daughter's life. Even when I told you and the court that it's best she stayed with me, you said no, you refused. Now see what happened. You couldn't take care of a little girl that is kept under your watch. That was why you couldn't take care of her home. You carelessly left my son to die. Edith, by the end of today or tomorrow, if my daughter is now found, I will tear you alive. I will tear you to pieces with my bare hands. That I promise you.
Mr. Tammy, it's okay. This is not the best way to speak to her. She's also in grief. Yes.
Grief kill you! Stupid woman! Who asked you to talk when I'm talking? Nonsense! And you Edith, I am giving you 24 hours from now. If my daughter is not found, I will teach you a lesson of your life.
Don't worry, she will come.
Okay.
She will.
Who is that?
Good day, young lady.
Hello.
My name is Detective Joe. I'm from the Cyber Terrorism and Anti-Kidnapping Unit of the Police Force. May I come in? Thank you.
What can I do for you, officer?
Please, can I sit?
Pardon my manners, please.
Thank you very much. I was thinking you would need my help.
Why?
Your friend and flatmate got missing and you never deemed it fit to call the attention of the police.
I wasn't sure she was missing. And I didn't want to raise any false alarm.
She didn't tell you she was attending a birthday party?
She did. But I thought she was joking.
Why?
Because she hardly goes out. She's not the club type.
Do you know of any place she might want to travel to?
Yes, home.
To her parents?
Her parents are divorced. It's just she and her mother.
Peradventure you stumble upon any bit of information that can help my investigation, kindly be a good citizen and reach out to me. Would you do that?
Sure.
Thank you.
Akode. Ukele ari baba won bara. Ukele ari baba ma won ho. Mo ko mun ko ko no no. Ah. Ika bia. Aya kai ne men. This three have been rejected. This have a child. These two destinies, their destinies have already been used. Call your boss. Call your boss immediately.
Boss, Kabal called and he said 3 of the girls were rejected. He wants to know what to do with them.
What kind of stupid question is that? You're supposed to know what to do with them.
I asked because I wanted to be sure. Hello, Kabal. Yeah, eliminate those girls. Yes. Alright, boss. I'll be on my way out.
Sir, I have called him. He's instructed that the 3 of them should be eliminated.
There is a river 4 miles away from here. Take them to that place and behead them and bring their heads for me. I need their heads for a special champ. Take them away. Take them. Take them. Move them. Now move. Move them. Move. Move. Keep quiet and move. Hey. Again. Kataka Wukike. Kana walk on here. Do a code. Do a code. Ukabara. Ukarosi. Nukwarosi. Move.
Move it.
I have come to ask you for the last time. Where is my friend and the other girls?
Now, let me warn you for the last time. Don't you ever in your life again barge into my office like this. Because you're not going to like the surprise. Do you know that you can lose your job right here and right now?
Let me save you the stress. I resign. Now, where is my friend?
And I've told you that I don't know where your friends are!
You know what, my darling? The next time the police come interrogating me, I will direct them to your doorstep.
And are you threatening me?
Nah. It is what it is. Stupid.
Lucky, come to my office right now. I've got a job for you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
I know you're a police officer. And I was in the compound when I overheard you talking about Ella and her roommates.
So?
Frances is lying. She knows where Ella is.
And how did you come about this information?
Because she was the one that convinced Ella to attend Double Prince's birthday party. She was the one.
Did you just say Double Prince?
Yes, Double Prince.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
I think we should rest here. After we sit. Sit down.
Bros, sir, please, why are you guys doing this? Eh?
Please just let us go. My father can pay any amount of money. Please just let us go.
Please, allow us go. I beg.
Shh. Keep quiet.
Covered. Try not to do anything stupid.
Don't move.
Don't try to do anything stupid.
Keep quiet.
What do you think about the girls?
What about them?
I think we should take turns on them.
That is not a good idea.
Come on, Kabad. What do they have to lose? Nothing. They would die after all.
I think you have a point there.
See what you're thinking.
Yeah.
Careful, bro.
Alright.
Comb every nook and cranny of the city. Get him for me alive.
Simon, you don't fuck up. Simon. Okay, boss.
I demand an explanation from you how Miss Frances got murdered in custody.
Sir?
Did you say sir? I need an explanation. Go ahead. How did it happen?
I don't understand what you're saying, sir. Myself, I'm just hearing about her death now.
Oh, really? You brought her in, so you should explain to me how she got killed in custody.